Presenting the 2008 Holden Commodore. You can be accelerating down the highway in this excellent vehicle with a solid 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, ventilated disc brakes, stability control. Anti-lock brakes help to bring your vehicle to a safe stop. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles.